Samsung Galaxy M17 5G comes with some useful battery settings and hidden features that many users don't know about. In this video, I will show you top 3 settings that can help improve your battery life and charging experience. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and tap on battery. After that, scroll down and here you will find the option called battery protection. Simply turn it on. This feature helps protect your battery from excessive charging and can improve your battery's long-term health. Number 2. In the battery settings, here you tap on charging settings. And here you will find the option called fast charging. Make sure it's turned on. This allows your phone to charge faster and saves charging time. Number 3. In battery settings, you will find show battery percentage. Here you turn it on to see the exact battery level on your status bar. So these were the top 3 battery settings for Samsung Galaxy M17 5G mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.